Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Teacher Thuli. Today we are going to learn numbers in English. Are you ready? Let's begin. Okay, so today we will learn numbers 1 to 10. Look, listen and repeat after me. Let's do it. Number 1. 1. 1. Number 1. 1. Number 2. 2. 2. Number 2. 2. Number 3. 3. 3. Number 3. 3. Number 4. 4. 4. Number 4. 4. Number 5. 5. 5. Number 5. 5. Number 6. 6. 6. Number 6. 6. Number 7. 7. 7. Number 7. 7. Number 8. 8. 8. Number 8. 8. Number 9. 9. 9. Number 9. 9. Number 10. 10. 10. Number 10. 10. Now let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Okay, now let's take a look at our sentence structure. We have question number 1. Okay, so this question is, what number is it? What number is it? Let's find out. What number is it? What number is it? It's 3. It's 3. It's 3. What number is it? What number is it? It's 5. It's 5. It's 5. What number is it? What number is it? It's 9. It's 9. It's 9. Okay, so now let's practice using our second sentence structure. Question number 2. So this question number 2 is how many? How many? So do it.
Makes perfect.
Okay, now let's look and count. How many apples? How many apples? 1, 2, 2, 2, 2 apples. 2. How many oranges? How many oranges? Let's count. 1. 1 orange. 1 orange. How many apples? How many apples? Let's look and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 apples. 7. Okay, we are almost done, but before we go, let's quickly review our numbers again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, everyone. Okay, everyone, so that's the end of today's lesson. Remember, practice makes perfect, but Teacher Thuli makes it easy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week. Until then, goodbye, see you, and thank you.